Deep in the Philippines lies a river so mysterious, locals believe it's enchanted. This is Hinatuan Enchanted River, a place where the water is so clear it looks like liquid sapphire. What's wild, no one knows exactly how deep it is. Divers have tried, but the underwater caves seem endless. And every day at noon something magical happens. The river cleanses itself. Fish appear from nowhere as music plays, like nature's own ceremony. Locals believe spirits guard the river, and seeing it feels like stepping into another world. So if you're ever in the Philippines, would you dare dive into the Enchanted River?